We'll guide you through how to make zigzag line in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application starts, click Login with Browser so you can access your account securely. You will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use. For example, continue with Google. Select the account you use to sign in to Figma so the system can verify your credentials. After completing the authentication process, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma application. You will automatically be redirected back to the Figma desktop application once the login is successful. Next, open your Figma file where you want to create the zigzag line. From the Creation Tools panel, select the Pen tool to begin drawing custom lines. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a straight line that will become the base of the zigzag effect. If you need multiple lines for your design, duplicate the line so several copies appear on the canvas. After duplicating, select all lines together so they can be edited at the same time. Next, locate the stroke section in the Properties panel. Change the line color according to your preference using the Color panel on the right side of the interface. Adjust the stroke weight based on your design. Needs to make the lines thinner or thicker depending on the style you want to achieve. Select the Advanced Stroke Settings icon to open additional stroke options. In the Stroke Settings panel, choose Dynamic as the stroke style to allow the line to generate a more irregular pattern. Adjust the frequency value as needed, for example 200%, to control how often the zigzag pattern appears along the line. Then adjust the wiggle value as needed, for example 1000%, to increase the intensity of the zigzag effect. You can also adjust the Smoothen setting if required, for example 0%, if you want the lines to remain sharp and irregular. After finishing the adjustments, review the lines on the canvas and reposition them if necessary, so the zigzag design fits well within your layout.